Hello friends, my name is Kritik Patel and you are watching my channel Flying with PNG. First of all, watch the channel's intro. In today's video, I will tell you an important thing about the identity of pilots. So watch this video till end. I have written the information of today's video, so I will speak wish watch it, because if there are any mistake is done by me, it is not good for all. When you see a pilot, there are some yellow colored strips on their shoulders which are called epaulets. In today's video, I will explain these epaulets into different sectors. Let's start the video. First is general aviation and the second is civil aviation. So first of all, the question is, what is the difference between general aviation sector and civil aviation sector? Let's talk about general aviation field. It is conducted by DGCA. There are some points to identify this sector. First is fly yourself and around ground about in a much smaller, slower aircraft with less range. Second is getting a license is easier than civil aviation field. Third is lower medical and safety standards than commercial aviation. Fourth is no need for turmeric or ADV aircraft. And last and very important, in this sector you can fly planes like Cessna 172, Cessna 152, Diamond DA-40, Diamond DA-42, Piper 34, etc. Let's talk about commercial civil aviation field, which is conducted by MCA. Involves ferrying passengers around in your giant or small planes. Much harder to get commercial license with comparison to general aviation sector. Higher medical and safety standard is requirement. Must fly from larger turmeric airports. And the important last topic, in this sector you can fly big planes like Airbus A320, Boeing B737, Airbus A380, Boeing 747. Now if you understand both sectors of aviation field, so let's divide the yellow strips, which are epaulets, into the different sectors. In general aviation sector, first of all, one stripe. When you complete your solo flight training, then you get one stripe epaulets. Second, two stripes. When you complete your PPL license and get it, after it you will get two epaulets. Third is when you complete your CPL, then you get three stripe epaulets. And last and fourth, when you clear your ATPL, then you get your four stripe epaulets. Now if we talk about civil aviation sector, first, if you work as a junior first officer, you have one stripe epaulets. And second, when you work as a first officer, you have two stripes epaulets. Then if you work as a senior first officer, you have three stripe epaulets. Last, if you work as a captain of the plane, you have four stripe epaulets. Go on main topic. What is the salary with these epaulets? First, if you are junior first officer, you will earn up to 1.5 lakhs. If you are first officer, you will earn up to 2.5 lakhs. If you are a senior officer, you will earn up to 3 lakhs. If you are a captain, you will earn up to 5 to 6 lakhs. And this last, after all, one more extra training. If you are a line training captain, you will earn about 8 lakhs. So I have given you all the informations about epaulets. If any kind of new information will come to me, I will inform to you. I hope you likes my video, so subscribe my channel for further aviation regarding videos and share it to your friends. Also write a comment so I can understand it. Follow my Instagram account because I will announce some things on it. If you likes to contact with me, my contact details are given in the description box. Thank you for your watching.